Welcome. In this video, you'll see the process of utilizing the generic video option in FlexiFunnels. First, go to your membership area within the platform. Select the module where you want to add a new video lesson. Click on the down arrow to open your lessons. Add or choose the video where you want to apply the generic video feature. Click on the Add Video Lesson button. Click on the Add Video option. Choose the generic video option. A pop-up will appear. Here you will see two options. At first, we will discover the custom embed code option. Add your video title here. Now select the proper custom embed code type between these two. For this demonstration, we are choosing the fixed option. Paste the fixed video embed code here. Now click on Add to apply the setting. Now we will see the video URL method. Select the video URL option. Type your video title in the box. Now, add your video URL here. Once everything is added, select the Add option to save the settings. And now the video is added successfully inside your module. After that, click on the pricing settings. Here, you will find your bundle. Click on the down arrow. Here you will find all the lessons added to your bundle. Select the lesson, which we recently added inside our module. Now it's successfully added to your bundle. And that's how you can use the generic video option in FlexiFunnels. Thanks for watching.